jong Dalam yang kapur halai jong Isamoy siya yung ikaw itaw baro-baro ingin yapoy Magiban ri yang ikiban suman Handi asla ka perday dik mir baba Jing butin perkat pilam siya jengay Kadur jong kika paula dum nishai Tong mapki Hajing im jongan Ngakloban kid ya kakia kason Ngalong jong ki baro si junong Ay ngalong jong ki si junong Kire jing kende jong kamen sim jongan Wan habat ya men nidung apoy rumah Nadu kamen sim ngada mut shishan Ombang aku lar nengakren rumah Daki lo ki jolung ayatukan Lor jong ki baik macawe kim baba Aku pila ne emban bediang diang Kika mahade ngalong upat
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to gabsgabitv.
This is not TV, this is Gabsgabitv React.
Alright.
If you want to watch, actually you just reminded me.
Oh,
Guys, if you want to watch also our vlogs, you can check Gabsgabitv.
yep.
This channel is only for
reaction.
That's
Yeah.
why we say Gabsgabitv.
That one for
React.
vlogs and for other things.
Yes,
Alright.
if you want to see us, our travel vlog in Meghalaya, go and check Gabsgabitv. We'll put the subscribe there for vlogs only.
Yeah.
And subscribe here for reaction. Yes.
And
Today,
don't forget to share with your friends and your family at the
share
same
with
time.
them
Alright.
all Meghalaya, Shillong, Bamba Club.
One love.
So
from
today
Africa.
we are going to react to Rangtyrwa.
Rangtyrwa.
Official music video. Wanjop, big guy.
Yeah.
Yes. So we are checking it.
Actually, I'm one of his fans.
We are biggest fan of Wanjop.
Yeah.
Wanba. You all know them are local production guys.
Shout out
Remember
to you.
guys, I'm just reminding you again. So once again, so many people are watching. Out of 100, only 15% are subscribing, and 85 they are not subscribing.
Please subscribe.
That is so
Kindly,
shame,
we
guys.
beg you guys.
Subscribe
Kindly
to this channel.
Support our ministry.
Support
my
us,
brother. Alright.
and we'll show you some.
Together we are one.
Let's do it. Syndong Production. Ri Syndong. What does it mean, guys? Tell us the meaning.
In the comment section below.
Rangtyrwa. Rangtyrwa. What does it mean? Rangtyrwa.
Kire jing kende jong kamen sim jongan Wan habat ya men nidung apoy rumah Nadu kamen sim ngada mut shishan Ombang aku lar nengakren rumah Daki lo ki jolung ayatukan Lor jong ki baik macawe kim tabang Aku pila ne emban bediang diang Kika mahade ngalong upat Ladang akong kasboruan Om suntu baklaan na maragi Ngawan pasong kong banga day Rangtyrwa Unang hawi blabu day maunong panong Halay singkong banyadon Lai jong ijong Dalab yang kapur halay jong Isamoy siya yung ikaw itaw baro-baro ingin yapoy Magiban ri yang ikiban suman Handi asla ka perday dik mir baba Jing butin perkat pilam siya jengay Kadur jong kika paula dum nishai Tong mapki Hajing im jongan Ngakloban kid ya kakia kason Ngalong jong ki baro si junong Ay ngalong jong ki si junong Kire jing kende jong kamen sim jongan Wan habat ya men nidung apoy rumah Nadu kamen sim ngada mut shishan Ombang aku lar nengakren rumah Daki lo ki jolung ayatukan Lor jong ki baik macawe kim baba Aku pila ne emban bediang diang Kika mahade ngalong upat
Now we are speaking Khasi, man.
Kirong ka pertengam dan hapi banterwa Ngam laban tabiak manjong pidak siar lupa Akish korjong pi mentang awan ban pesngau Ya jing ita bajur ko kikur bom manyau Ya jing ya jing shitom na marjong hinan siya Anyay minun na tray shitom kan bangala Ikan juba haru kong nalong balakar Ilanti bas niulung hitam manare Ya jing bunjing terkat tilam syanyay Kadur jong pika paula dum ne syay Pangapki Hajing imzola Nalong kid ya gakia gasyon Nalong jong ki baro shi junam Ay nalong jong ki shi junam Iti jong ki ay ngan Naruman tangasin
I fancy you.
Nginyay ay rangkan
You know
Wow, she looks so cute, man.
looks so
She looks
gorgeous.
so beautiful. I have to
So
bring her.
gorgeous. Yeah, bring her the flower that I bought for you.
Yes,
you
we have a
have a
flower for her here.
Where is it?
Kamasim mansim jonga.
Kamasim jonga from Gabriel Samsona. We love
This
you.
flower is just for you guys.
Although we don't know your name, but we love you.
This flower is for you guys. Tell us your location, your address. We'll send this flower to
drop
that
it to your-
lady.
your
Yeah.
doorstep.
And
Your doorsteps.
Wanjop, tell us what do you want. I know you don't want flower, right? We'll send the flower for that
We'll
lady.
buy you watch.
We'll buy you a watch,
Or
belt,
belt,
or some
necklace,
outfit, okay?
outfit.
For the upcoming video.
But for the
guys.
lady, the flower.
Yes. Today we try to
It's
speak
the artificial
Khasi.
one for for meanwhile. But by the
Yeah.
time we know the location, we bring the
We'll send the
original one.
real one, guys.
Original one.
Okay?
The one that can smell
Super.
nice.
That,
Love
the
you
one
guys
that can
from Africa.
can smell like medicine jonga.
Ooh.
Thank you so much. Today you made us to speak Khasi because of the subtitle was in Khasi.
Was massive.
So
was
medicine
giving.
jonga. Love
Medicine
from
jonga
Africa.
to all
guys.
of the
Please subscribe. The video is
people.
amazing. We love it, guys. No problem. It's not about understanding the lyric, but
It's
about the vibe.
The vibe.
The vibe. Music is universal language. Bamba Club. Subscribe now. Put on the bell.